Skylar. I'm an Amazon influencer and I received this smart lock for our door from Snugspot. I received this as a gift to share with you all, so let's check it out. Everything is nice and neatly packed and plenty of foam. I don't have to worry about anything being damaged. Got my instruction manual, and it even comes with a guide to help you install it. Comes with everything you need. You have your deadbolt keypad here, inside piece. You've got 2 keys and 2 smart key fobs that you can just press up against and it will unlock. You have all of your parts in separate boxes for the installation and your doorknob. I'm super excited to get this on my door. I love having smart devices and making it to where my children can come in and out of the doors without me having to give them physical keys, because to be honest, kids lose keys. You can do the keypad numbers, the fingerprint, the key, or even the little key fob. You can even hook it up with the app, remotely unlock it. So before installing, I am going to download the app that comes with it, so that way I can connect my app, so that I can connect to my phone to the lock by Wi-Fi. So I've got the app downloaded, and we are going to add a new lock. So I'm going to click the plus button up, do add device. I've gone to add a device. I am going to choose the smart lock right there. Then I'm going to be asked to enter my local Wi-Fi network information. Now it's showing that the device is being added. And once you're in on your app, on your device, it'll look a little something like this. And we're going to go to member management. And it's just got myself as the administrator. And we're going to go to add fingerprint. Gives you instructions on how you're going to add your fingerprints. And you're going to hit start to add. You're going to come to a screen that looks like this. And I'm trying to do this with 2 hands. So it'll look like this, and I'm going to do my thumbprint. I'm going to lift and press my thumb a few times. And so then I can name that my left thumb and save it. So now I have my right thumb and my left thumb saved. I don't have it installed yet, but I just wanted to show you on here. If I wanted to unlock the door now, I just have to place my thumb and it'll unlock for me. If I hit lock, it'll lock for me. From the inside view, you have your deadbolt here. It is currently in the locked position.
Unlocked.
And now it is unlocked. And the same thing again, if I hit the lock on this side.
Locked.
Super easy. And I'm getting notifications letting me know that the lock was unlocked and locked. It also keeps a record on the app of when the door is locked and unlocked. Assembly was pretty straightforward, especially if you've ever installed a door knob or deadbolt before. Screwed in the deadbolt into position. I didn't have to do any adjustments on my deadbolt. It fit in perfectly in the existing hole without doing anything out of the box, which was great. Then I slid in the digital side of the box where the keypad is and the base plate. This all was very simple once I got everything lined up because of the added blinds on the inside of my door. It made it a little difficult fitting it exactly into position, but I managed to make it work. Then you'll add on the back side of the battery pack here, and it just drills right in. This was all super simple, and the instructions laid it out very clear. I added all my batteries and put the battery cover on, and now it is working perfectly. So this part of setup was done. Now I am testing out the feature where I can unlock it and lock it remotely, and this also works since I had already connected my phone to the app. Here I am going to add the key card. It walks you right through everything. It is super simple and it connected very quickly. I'm going to link this in my Amazon storefront so that you can find this easily and get one for yourself.